2021 Ford F-150 Power Boost Hybrid. First in the US to find any modified exhaust on it, and we're the first ones to do it for you guys. There it is. That's how the power badge is on it. Power Boost Ford F-150 Lariat. Really beautiful blue color, one of my favorite colors. There's the front end. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got the factory converters up there somewhere. It's got less than 2,800 miles on it. This one comes with 4 there and there. Then for the power boost, it's got this, there's the flex pipe, and then it's got this power management thingy. I don't know what it is. We'll have to do a little bit more research on it for you guys. But anyways, it's got this, and then after that it came with a resonator, as you guys can see right there, and a muffler. So we cut it off and put different mufflers up on it, see which one sounded the best. And the best one that he liked, the customer, was the Black Widow, WIDOWMAKER, right there, part number BW0013-2. There it is, Black Widow, WIDOWMAKER, 10-inch. And then we had to add 3-inch pipe to make it all fit into his existing 3-inch pipe all the way out. And he wanted a little bit something different, so we put him a double black tip, double wall right there, as you guys can see. And when you start it with the power boost, because it's hybrid, you don't hear it until you give it gas. It's completely quiet. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And the muffler on it comes normal. There's the resonator. The muffler is just a factory F-150 muffler. They didn't change much on it at all, as you guys can see. And there's the factory tip. Factory resonator, factory tip. Comes on the 5.0s. Same muffler, same resonator. Like always, guys, if you like our videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Ford F-150 with Black Widow. It's better than nothing, because before it was quiet, you couldn't hear it. What do you guys think? You can barely hear it. Even with straight pipe, you can barely hear it. There's sound decibels. Again. And he has to rev it for it to actually even engage. Take your foot off the gas, it turns off. See, like nothing, because it's electric, hybrid. Give it gas, then it kicks back on. That is so weird in a truck. Anyways, go ahead and back it out. Yeah, see, it's off. Look, he's backing it up because it's electric. It's completely quiet. Nothing, look. That is so weird. It's running. Then give it gas. First F-150 with a Black Widow. Power Boost Edition. Hybrid. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know. Again? Doesn't sound too bad. Here it is from far away. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So he's going to put it in sport mode for us now, and it's supposed to turn off the electric part and keep it all gas. So let's see. This is how it switches. Eco, there's sport. Oh yeah, that changes the sound. This is in sport mode. You can actually rev it up a little bit more. It's deep. I like it. Again, yeah, it changes it up. let you guys hear it driving up. I'm gonna show you guys under the hood real quick. So there's the motor. Power boost. Look at all the electric stuff on it. Wow. Power boost. That's what it looks like. It's what size motor? 3.5 liter. Right there. With the power boost hybrid. Ford F-150 Lariat 2021 Power Boost with Black Widow, WIDOWMAKER, and dual tip. And it turns up because it's hybrid. The new truck of the future, all hybrids. That is crazy. So sitting still, it looks like it's not even running. Look. It's so weird. Black Widow. You can still hear it. That's awesome.